Welcome back to the second part of this inventory system. So I'm going to close that and close this as well. Now what I want to take care of actually is, maybe we should take care of this first. Let's take care of this. Once that is taken care of, then we'll take care of the others. Okay, I'm going to copy this, so that should officially be my, that is supposed to be right frame 0. Yeah, right frame 0. So let me just name it like that so that I don't get it mixed up. Right frame 0. Okay, and this one was meant to be right frame 1. Okay, right frame 1, and here is right frame with buttons. Okay, that is fine. This is just a clue for me. Alright, now let's take care of this now. Okay, just before I start, I'm also going to enter some broken lines here for the left one. There we go. That will be for my left frame. But now the one I want to work on is the right frame, this very one. Okay, so let's start by defining the label. So I'm going to call that LBL account open. An LBL account open is going to be as follows. So let's say the widget is a label, and this label is actually resident right inside frame, right frame 0. Yeah, and the font size, I'm going to go for about maybe 18 or so. Copy that, paste that right there. Let's say about 18, and the text on it, text will be account open. Let's say account opened. Right there, and let's get it padded equals 2, and right padding equals 2 as well. Background color BG, I'm going to make that powder blue. Yeah, right, close that. So that is for the right frame. So let's come down here, copy that, paste that right here, and let's enter a grid. And this grid is going to be, let's go for, yeah, that, because it's the very first one anyway. Yeah, then what about, let me just say strictly equals west. Right, so let me run this and see how it's going to look like. Then I'll take it from there. There we go, look at that. Okay, close that. Now we need a combo box. So this combo box, I'm going to call it self. Let's copy that. Self, and this LBL is going to be combo. Let's say CBO. Yeah, that's fine. Equals TK dot combo box. So that is how that widget is written anyway. So, and it's also resident right inside this very frame, right frame 0. Then we have a variable for it, so let me make up a variable for this particular Combobox. I'm going to call the variable as well. Just going to call it account. Yeah, it's going to be account equals account. So let's assume my variable is going to be somewhere up here. Let's come right underneath here. Equals string variable. So that's the first variable. So I don't want to get it mixed up. Now that my variable is created, the next thing I want to do is, what about the state? State, in this case, I'm going to make it just read only. So those are the properties for this Combobox. It's a read only object. Now font, enter a comma there. Then font, I'm going to make the font maybe about, let's see, font in this case maybe I'll set it for about 18 as well, and the width equals 19. Close that. Right, so let's say self dot open account dot current state, and that is going to be 0. I think I should enter value. Let me enter the value up here so that it's consistent. Let's say value, and the value in this case, I can just make up something for the value for now. Value is going to be, let's say there's nothing in the first place. I can always change that, and I just, let's say select, let's take select an option here. So I'm just making that up. I'm going to definitely change it, comma. Then the next one, let's just go for yes, no, because I'm going to be using that a lot anyway. Yes, comma, then we have no. Yeah, and close that. Now let's run that up. Copy all of this and paste it right there, and this is going to be the grid. So in this case, the grid for this will be, let's say it's going to be 1. The column will be 1. Yeah, and get rid of this strictly west. That's it. Okay, let's try it out of the scenario here. Let's get rid of this first. Now go to run there. Let's see. There we go. Look at that. So that is fine. And those are the options that I entered. Okay, close that. Now the easy part, copy. Now I'm going to paste this right underneath here. 1, I need 5 of those. Now just change the names around. That's the very first one. The second one, and this is going to be on row 1. So if I run that, this is what you guys will see. There we go. Alright, so I presume you guys get the whole idea, so I'm going to speed that up and get back to you guys shortly. Okay, I've just copied and pasted, and I'll rename it all. This is the second one, application date, and there, and right here at the Combobox, so that is my variable. And here, next credit review. For the next credit review, that is the variable next credit review, and that is the Combobox there. Then the last credit review, that's the label, and that's the Combobox. and finally date review right there. And make sure you guys have all of the variables. There they are. Those are the variables that I made up. You can make something up and change your text variable to whatever you want. So let's run it and you see how it looks like. There we go. But there's something. Let's change the background color. I don't like the background color. I'm going to change that to cadet blue. So where is my background? There they are. So that's going to be cadet blue, and the other one will be cadet blue as well. Just copy that, paste that in there, and that's the background taken care of. There we go. Look at it. Alright, and here you can see this place. Look at that. Maybe we should kind of like flush it up and let it align to the other one. So let's come right here, and here I'm just going to say comma pattern y-axis. I'm going to make that 2, and let's see what 2 can do for me. Let's see. It's not showing that much, so let's add it to the others. Copy that, come right here, paste it in there, here, and there's one more here. Right, there's one here. Save and run. Okay, you see it's a little bit flush now. In fact, it's aligned with the other one. Maybe a little bit too much anyway, but that's fine for now. I can always readjust that. Alright, let's take care of this one. This very frame here, I'm going to call it, that's my left frame 0, left frame 1, left frame 2, and left frame 3. So let's take care of left frame 0 now. Left frame 0 right here. So with the left frame 0, I'm going to copy the content on right frame 0. Let's copy the label. Copy that, and so might as well just copy the label and the combo box because I'm going to need them both. Okay, just copy all of this. Yeah, copy that, and let's come right here. Paste that inside left frame 0. Alright, now this is left frame 0. I'm going to copy the frame, just enter the frame in there, and the frame here and here, one more here right there. Okay, the next thing now is this will be row 0, 0. This one will be row 0, 1. That is correct. This one will be row 0, 2. Okay, and this one will be 0, and that will be 3. So that's fine. I'm going to save that now. There we go. Look at that. Though it's too big, so I'm going to do some adjustment or amendment on it. Okay, that is taken care of. So I'm going to amend that. Okay, let's amend that. I'm just going to reduce that to about 12. And oh, just one other thing. Here are the variables I intend to use. I just have to speed those up. Let's adjust my variables, and if you notice this, I have variable application date, and that is it right here somewhere. Okay, all my variables are in place. Let's run it and see the brief amendment that I've just carried out. Yeah, that's it. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to have to speed that up, just change the names around. Okay, let's run it and see how it looks like. There we go. It's a little bit too small, but I'm going to take care of that anyway. So that is my second one. Okay, I just enter some first information there. Alright, let's come down here. I'm going to copy these, but one of them is going to be text widget or entering widget, and there. Right, that is for the row right below that. So let's run it and see. There we go, look at that. All right, yeah, that's fine. So that's left frame 0 taken care of. So have a good look at the lines of code for that. Left frame 0 up to here. Now let's take care of left frame 1, this very one. For left frame 1, let's copy as well. Copy and paste this right underneath that. Paste. Okay guys, those are the lines of code for left frame 1. That's it right here. Okay, have a good look at it. Okay, so let's take care of left frame 2. There we go. Now left frame 2. Okay, with the left frame 2, I'm going to have to divide this frame into 2. So let's copy left frame itself. There we go. It's copied and come right down here. So on the other hand, I'll kind of like speed it all up. There. That is the left frame. I've now divided it into 2, so it's now known as left frame 2 left left and left frame 2 left right. So let's run it and you see what I'm talking about. There we go, look at that. Alright, now the next thing is, you see, for the left frame, I will now add a checkbox. So let's start by, let's say self dot check. I'll call it check credit. Okay, and that is going to be equals checkbox. Check button is called officially, and it's going to be right inside left frame 2 left there. So there's a comma, and in fact let me just speed that up. And right there guys, here are the lines of code for the checkbox. As you can see, every single component is right inside left frame LL, left. So let me run it and you see what I'm talking about. There we go. Though nothing is happening now. So the next thing I want to do is, you see these left frame left right, I will now add a text in there. So let me copy this very one. So let's come right down here. I think I have it somewhere. There we go. I'm going to copy it. Copy that, and let's go back to left frame 2. This is it, left frame 2. And right here, enter that. And remember the name of the frame. The name of the frame is left frame 2 left right. There we go. And just paste that right in there. Now I need to carry out a bit of improvement on it. The height, I'm not going to make that 20, I'm going to make it 10. Okay, 9 is fine. And the width, let's go for about 63. What about the font? 9. Okay, that's fine. And yeah, that is fine. Okay, I'm going to sort of like get it padded. okay, to the y-axis, and let's change the name to txt information, and repeat the same thing here, info. There. Okay, let's run that and see how that's gonna look like. There we go, guys. Look at that. That's beautiful. I like that. Okay, let's take care of left frame 3. That is left frame 0, left frame 1, 2, and 3. Now for 3. Right, so the first thing we want to do for 3 is to actually add labels. Very good. I've got some label here. I'm going to copy that, paste that in here, and it's going to be right inside left frame 3. So I'm going to copy left frame 3, copy that, and paste that right here. There we go. And what about the font? The font for that 18, and the text content on this I'm going to change it to tags. Yeah, and it's going to be powdered blue. Let's change this to about 14. The padding is 14, and the other one is going to be 4. And okay, everything is fine. Now let's change the name to tags. Copy that and paste that here. Yeah, that's taken care of. So let me run it and you guys see how that's gonna look like, and we'll take it from there. There we go. Now let's add a text box right underneath. I'm gonna have to copy whatever text widget I have in there. There's one here, text entering. Just copy that and scroll right down. Let's paste it right in there. Where is it? Frame 3. Yeah, and paste that right there. And this one is going to be txt tags. Right. And what about the variable? It's going to be tags anyway. I've officially declared a variable called tags up there, tags total and subtotal. There we go. And I've also declared the following variables. Okay, scroll right down, come back here, left frame 3. Yeah, so if the name is okay, let's see, what about the text is 16. This I can make this one 8, and so the column in this case, the column will be 0, and let's say the row is going to be 1. Okay, let's get it padded as well. Padding, I'm going to make that maybe about 23. Yeah, that should do it. 23 to the left axis, and about 5 on the y axis. There. So I'm going to run that. Oh, let's see, we need to change this to left frame 3. Now run it and see how it looks like. There we go. Tags, you just enter whatever your tags is in there. So I'm going to repeat the same thing for subtotal and total. So let's just copy this and we just speed it all up. 1, 2. This one is going to be known as total, and here we have subtotal. Okay, this is 0, this one is 1, this one will be 0, 1, and this will be 1, 1 here, and this one will be 0, and this will be 1 2. So let's see that. Okay, let's run it and see how that's gonna look like. They're not changing things around. Yeah, that's fine. The only bit missing here is the total. Let's see what happened. Total is there. Okay, total is in the wrong place, so let's see. Total should be column 2 here. Well, let's run that again. There we go. That's fine, guys. So with that, guys, I'm going to call it the end of the second part of this tutorial, and I'll see you guys shortly.